Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to create a fun clicker game on Plezmo Storycoder.
First, we will explain the working of the game.
You will be seeing some sprites placed randomly on your screen.
Then you just need to click on all of them before your time runs out. If your score is less than 10, then you lose. But if your score is more than 10, then you win. Now, the theme that we took is Thieves in the Night. So the background will be nighttime and our sprites will be thieves. But you can use any theme you like. So wasting time, let's start working.
Open storycoder.plezmo.com and sign in. If you are new to our channel, please watch the previous videos in this playlist. It is linked in the description.
Now here, we can't use the Add Sprite button in the story section as we want multiple copies of the same sprite. So before we jump to adding the code for creating the sprites, let's create variables. But first, we need to create a new project. So click on the Create Project and give your project a name and a thumbnail if you want. And click on OK. Now you already have When Program Starts block on your canvas. So go to the Logic category and drag the Set I to 0 block.
Click on the drop down and click on Create Variable. Name your variable score and set it to 0.
Now duplicate it, create a new variable and name it Timer. Set this variable to 10.
Change the background to any background you like. Remember, the background should be filled with items and should be very colorful, like this.
Now we will create our sprites. So go to the Create category and create your sprite just like this.
Now we need to set the size of the sprite to random because they should not be able to see the thieves easily to make the game tougher. So do it like this. Keep duplicating the create and the set size blocks. Play around with how randomized the values are of the size. You can create as many duplicate sprites as you want. We will just dash through the creation of the sprites.
Now we want the user to see how much time is left and its score. So let's get the show label at X and Y axis from the scene category.
X and Y is the position on the screen. We have created an in-depth video about it. The link is in the description box. Do check it out to know more about X and Y axis.
Now we will code the win and lose screen. Get a repeat until block and code it like this. The repeat until block will just keep repeating that part of code until it satisfies the condition mentioned. Then we will use an if else condition block like this. But wait, what is an if else block, you say? It is a block that allows the program to decide what to do when a certain condition is met. Again, we will make an in-depth video about the repeat loops and the if conditions. All the updates are in the description. code the if condition like this. First, we need to hide all the remaining characters like this. Now we will code the loose screen. We'll just dash through the hiding of characters.
Code the if condition like this. First, we need to hide all the remaining characters like this. Now we will code the loose screen. Just change the background and let the narrator speak. And then create a sprite for loose, make it grow, and then after 2 seconds, stop growing. And do the same for the win screen, except place it in the else part and change create sprite to you win and change the text too.
If you have come so far, then congratulate yourself.
Now we have done this much. But will the game work? No, because we have not programmed what should happen when we click on the thief. So let's quickly do that.
So, whenever a thief is clicked, increase the score by 1, play sound, and hide. So now you have created one duplicate of the thief, excluding the first one made like this. Then you need to duplicate this code 11 times, excluding the original code.
Now we are done with the original one. We'll just duplicate this and change the sprite to thief 2, and then the next one will be thief 3, 4, 5, and it will go on until you finish the code for all the 12 sprites.
And we are done. This is a clicker game, and now we can play it. Have fun playing it.
If you have any questions, comments, and ideas for videos, mail them to us at the email ID given below and in the description box. You can even post them in a Scratch studio. Do post your feedback too. The link is in the description box. Stay home and stay safe.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Get notified whenever we post a weekly video. Turn on the notifications bell.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.